That's just indeed. I feel like planning is like one big muscle that gets used up, and I love it. So that was one big kind of takeaway.
The teacher in me just wakes up, and I'm very like I try my best. I don't know if it actually works, but I like that think about inspiring and encouraging.
That's fun. And I think that comes from having gone through that journey yourself. Like, oh, I was there. I think I kind of maybe understand what you're feeling. And I'm happy to help in any way that I can.
Yeah, I never thought in my life I would learn how to rig a line, and it also felt very intimidating and complicated. But like, we just did it.
Yeah.
It didn't even feel like a class. It's just like, yeah, so just go there and do. The idea to have two new people just lead and just do it was just.
I also love how when somebody's on the line, we push them because we know that they can do something. But then we also know when to leave it and be like, okay, if this isn't working for you, then fine, I won't push more. You can come back, or like, don't take that step, or like, don't fall, or whatever it is. We can push, but we can also hold back. And I really appreciate us knowing that line and not, being like, no, you have to do it.
You can even turn.
Yeah.
Pull yourself a little. Correct. Go like that. Go sideways.
Nice, yeah. Who's singing? Akanksha. Lovely.
Good. All set. Chalo. Ale. Go for it. One attempt. Just one attempt. Go for it. And come on. Ale. Orad पाहिजे आता. Remove that frustration, whatever you're feeling. Go for it. Breathe. Have fun with the fear. See how much you can go beyond that fear. How much you can fight with that fear.
Dear friend Twinkie from Pune.
That's true.
She is extremely badass. She is our camp manager, and she has been making sure that we have food and water at the campsite through the day. Water is flowing, food is endless. We're having feasts every day. And Twinkie is a slackliner and budding highliner. And honestly, today we would love to hear, Twinkie, about all of the excuses that you make to not get on the high line, because they're some of the most innovative and or how can I say, creative excuses. Those are some of the most creative
That's not
excuses
true.
I've ever heard.
And then hold and turn.
Hold and turn.
Nice, no worries. Nice try, Twinks. Very cool.
Who's next? Fucking get used to all this gear, harness.
How was it?
Great.
Great. What was your line apart from this? Had fun? Yeah.
Give some
solid
attempts though.
Yeah.
Not scared, yeah. That's
No, it does feel like something different. Like I've been, I think my brain feels more comfortable when I'm watching women on the line. It's like, okay, they're also doing it. I feel like this is also what I've been seeking, like more women who are doing outdoors, more women who are doing adventure. Like,
Do you want to go on the leash? Okay, take it off.
solid.
Hold the leash?
No, yeah, hold it. Let go. Let go. Let go with both hands.
Let go.
Trust it. Trust the leash.
What the fuck, guys?
ठंड लग रही है क्या? अरे
No.
thinking, just go. Thinking is bad. Don't think.
Yeah.
I was thinking way too much.
I'm still scared, but it's going better now. Yeah, really nice.
What about the deltas?
Any other weblog, right? There's a pin. Basically, once I roll, this, imagine the webbing is heavy, the body will be
We
down
have
like
another problem to solve.
rolling. We are ready to give you the webbing.
This is called a hanger plate, rope anchor, and we don't need so much space in our quick. Nothing should happen. So we also need to place it in a way that
Okay, go, Aishna, go, go.
Oh my god. Women are like really nurturing and supporting.
Happy
now.
tears?
Would you expect a man to cry with me? No, no.
Whatever she said.
No, it's just different. It's different. I think there's like this different sensitivity to being in an all women's thing, and it's not softer, gentler.
also.
Maybe it's that feminine energy. Like it's just very nurturing.
I